Well, we got this very quickly, okay? You know, you immediately drew your triangle, everything in the right direction.
Right.
I had to prompt you to put your arrows on it, just to make sure that everything had the right sign, okay? But then I said, what's your run? You said, well, you wanted to say 3 minus x. But remember, if you're going from here to here, it goes from 3 to x, so it's x minus 3.
Okay.
Just like if you go from mile 20 to mile 40, it's 40 minus 20,
Okay.
not 20 minus 40, which would be negative 20. You're going that way, not this way, right?
Right.
So you want to be careful about that. Okay, and then your rise goes from 3.8 to y. So there it is. So now the slope is y minus 3.8 over x minus 3. Okay?
Okay.
I'm going to give you one little bonus here.
Okay.
Okay? If you extend this line, then if xy is on the line, then the slope here well, it's just this, because you're going from the point 3, 3.8 to xy, right?
Right.
So the slope is again equal to y minus 3.8 over x minus 3. Okay?
Okay.
Well, if it's the same line, the two slopes have to be the same, don't they? So the same line implies that you have the same slopes, and if I had a decent piece of chalk, I could write this out, okay? Same line implies the same slopes. So, y minus 3.8 over x minus 3 equals 0.48. That's the slope, and that's the slope, okay?
Okay.
Well, you could solve this for y, and you would get what we call the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, which is something I think you're familiar with,
Yeah.
okay? So I'm not going to do the arithmetic because, you know, we're already 10 minutes over time. I don't want to take up your whole life with this, okay? But that's just a little bonus, and that's what it means. That's what the equation of a straight line means.
Okay.
It means that whatever the slope is, the slope from some point on the line out to xy is equal to that slope. So the slope is equal to the slope, and this is an illustration of it. And it can help when you're dealing with straight lines to understand that idea. Now, I don't know if that will help or not, but it's a good exercise just in kind of thinking, okay?
Okay.
So if you understand that even moderately, then you've got a thought that most people don't have, okay?
All right.
And you've trained some neural circuits that most people never train, okay?
Right, yeah.
So I thought it was worth 2 or 3 minutes to do that,
Oh, yeah.
okay?
Okay.